Good evening, guys. Welcome back to our channel. So I'm outsourcing this build to old Mike. Mike's got some experience, over 20 years worth of experience in restoring these cars. So me doing a restoration project like that, I don't think I'm capable. I try to fix these little strips here. So this is my first wrapping attempt. You can see the sides ain't so lacquer. But before I started wrapping it, I attempted to remove it. And then you can see there's that line there. So instead of removing it, I just broke it off. So now the plastic is in two pieces. It's just the wrap holding it in. So guys, so that's why I think I should rather outsource it. But guys, watch this channel, like it, subscribe. You know the drill. Share it. And see how Mike gets along with the SS 1938.
Okay, second coat today. Cool, because there's not a lot of dust, because it's drizzling out there. There's the mat. We're going to use that up first, and then we'll experiment with maybe going a little bit more shiny, maybe just on the fenders or something, I don't know. So everything is in paint, and that's what our mission was for this month. The fenders need a second coat, and the body, but nothing we can do about that right now. So we're going to let this job rest for a little, and then see how we go. How's this bootlet? Handmade. Yarra. Thanks to Gerald. Cool. Yeah. So this is what happens when you're a petrol head and space is an issue. Park this stuff on your porch. Where there's clearing. So, yeah, but this week's almost done, and yes, it's retired now. So that's the mat. We still now got to decide what to do. Should we do matte on the fenders and gloss on the tub, or do we do gloss on, or the other way around? I'm still got to rub some more, put another 2 coats on, then get the insides rubberized. And then the next job is to put the tub on the chassis and see how everything comes together. I got a bit wet there, was a bit drizzling. Lines are looking alright. A little bit of a tweak here and there. But yeah, it's amazing how this has come out. Not perfect yet, but a little bit more time. We'll get there. That line is a little bit wiggly. We got to sort that out with the next rub. So yeah. And then we go into the house because space is an issue. There is the boot lid in the kitchen. And now I sleep with the rear fenders in my bedroom. Anyway, all a bit of fun. That's what we do. Anyway, cool. So now the fenders have become a garden ornament. Gotta spray all the other bits underneath and then rubberize the inside. There we go. The edges. Try and get underneath. Check, try and get underneath. Try and get underneath, and then we can rubberize it. This thing here still needs a bit of work there. No, that's just my imagination. Okay, cool. Cool. Well, so now we're masking up the car so that we can do the rubberizing underneath. I don't get all the shit onto the car. Next week we'll give it another coat, rub down on the paintwork. Anyway, it's all in the prep work, all in the prep work. All in the prep work. And then we're gonna rubberize it and it'll look nice and the body will be sweet. Sweet like a lemon. Okay. Okay. More masking. More masking. And then we rubberize the inside lekker. Yeah. Cool. So it's gonna look sweet and hide a lot of the crap. So the process of rubberizing starts. Actually not as messy as I thought it would be. There we go. Good shit. Okay. Yeah, all this where the welds were. Don't spray me now. This thing will last another 80 years now.
Even 100. 80 years old.
So we rubbed the first coat down. Some more here on top here. We must still on top there. Okay. And then I want to put the second coat on and see. Still a bit more rubbing. Some high and low spots, but we'll get there. Just now the weather is always against us. But yeah. All day rubbing. And we're fixing Sarah's capri in between here as well, bit of a rust spot. on bits and pieces, and hopefully we can soon get this body on the chassis. Quite exciting to see that happen. Anyway,
But I can't bend anymore. Let's go home.